Welcome. This is Jamb year 2013 government pass question. Question number 15 says, which of the following constitutions is more suitable for centralization of political power? Which of the following constitutions is more suitable for centralization of political power? When we talk of centralization of political power, means power at the center of state government. So option A says flexible constitution, B say unwritten constitutions, C say rigid constitution, D say written constitution. Written constitution specified everything about the state laws. So written constitution is correct, option D. Thank you, and kindly subscribe for more videos.